from the
So I
previous
think you
channel?
got, first of all, copyright warnings, like YouTube flagging your content for it being copyright. Because if you got strikes, if you get channel strikes, more than 3 strikes on your channel gets deleted.
Okay.
So I think that's what you mean, right? So
Yeah,
the
it's probably a warning because I got 4. So
yeah. And
yeah,
so
so
usually what happens is if you have a video with copyright material like music or videos from someone else,
okay.
then the revenue you generate from it just goes to them in most cases. And then they can ask you if they want, they can do nothing and just let the money go to them. Or they can
Okay.
send you a message like, hey, I want you to delete this content. It's ours, so please delete it. And if you then don't do it, then they can like ultimately strike you if they would want to. Things you can do if it's on a long form video, you can either edit out the part that the copyright is about, or you delete the video, edit it away, and then upload it again. You can also, if it's a music copyright, if you have a license, you can just put in the license and then it's copyright free again, of course. But that depends on
Okay.
where you get the music from. And then
Okay.
also you can edit the video, like the YouTube video on your channel, you can edit it. Like you can click the copyright button that says like copyright problem found, click it. And then you can silence just the background music that you used in a specific part. And um,
I see.
then
Okay.
basically that music gets deleted and your video becomes copyright free again.
Okay, awesome.